This is the homework help video for Friday, January 27th for my on-level classes, periods 2, 3, and 4. The homework is 5-8, practice A. I'm going to do number 5. It says Kareem and Julio have rectangular model train layouts that are similar to each other. Julio's layout is 4 feet by 7 feet. Kareem's layout is 6 feet wide. What is the length of Kareem's layout? So we want to find this missing length, x. Now they already told us that the rectangles are similar, so we compare the corresponding sides. 4 feet compared to 6 feet, 4 to 6, must be equal to the ratio of these corresponding sides, 7 to x. Notice I went this direction. I went from the smaller rectangle to the larger rectangle in both cases. When I set up my ratios, 4 to 6 equals 7 to x. Okay, now we could simplify 4 6 first. Make this a little easier on ourselves. Divide by a common factor of 2. We get 2/3. So writing this again, 2/3 equals 7 over x. If we could see a scale factor, some way to get from 2 to 7, then we could use that to figure out x. But there's no whole number you can multiply 2 times to get to 7. So scrap that idea and just remember that cross products must be equal. If these ratios are equal, or these are proportional, the cross products must be equal. So 7 times 3 is equal to 2 times x, or 2x. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 equals 2x. And then we undo this multiplication with the inverse operation, which is division on both sides. 2 over 2 is 1, so we just get 1x equals 21 divided by 2. Let's do that up here. 21 divided by 2. There's 1, 2, and 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract, we get 0. Bring down the 1. There are 0, 2's, and 1. So we want to keep dividing, so we add a decimal and a 0, because 21.0 is still the same as 21. We haven't changed the value. We've just added a decimal and a 0 so that we can keep dividing. Bring down that 0, and there are 5, 2's, and 10. Line up a decimal in our answer. 5 times 2 is 10. So x equals 10.5. And the units are feet, 10.5 feet. Okay, I hope that helps with that homework. That's probably the hardest question on the homework. I'll see you in the morning.